Hello guys, if your Oral-B electric toothbrush suddenly starts turning itself on without warning and begins vibrating randomly, it can feel upsetting, especially when it happens during charging or while sitting unused. Sometimes the Oral-B electric toothbrush powers on for a few seconds and stops, while other times it repeatedly turns on by itself without touching the button. A situation like this can happen because of moisture around the power button, charging interruptions, stuck controls, or temporary system glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many Oral-B electric toothbrush problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix an Oral-B electric toothbrush that keeps turning itself on. Try these. Step 1. Wipe around the power button on the Oral-B electric toothbrush if it feels stuck or sensitive. Step 2. Dry the Oral-B electric toothbrush carefully if moisture recently reached the handle area. Step 3. Remove the Oral-B electric toothbrush from the charger if random power cycles begin during charging. Step 4. Check the button on the Oral-B electric toothbrush for residue or buildup affecting movement. Step 5. Turn the Oral-B electric toothbrush off completely and wait briefly before restarting it. Step 6. Test the Oral-B electric toothbrush again and confirm it no longer turns on by itself unexpectedly.